Good morning, students. This is the topic of pure substance and phase. And in this, we explain that all substance is composed of numerous number of particles known as molecules. And pure substance is defined as substance that is made of only one type of atom or only one type of molecule. There are three phases which are solid, liquid, and gas. Properties and important definitions. There are boiling point, melting point, saturation point, saturation pressure, saturation temperature, and triple point. Boiling point, it is defined as point in system at which vapor pressure equal to the atmospheric pressure and point phase transfer from liquid to gas. Melting point, it is defined as that point in the system at which phase transfer from solid to liquid takes place. And there are the definitions of some kind of saturation temperature. Triple point. Triple point is defined as that point in a system at which all phases are exist in equilibrium. Next is state. Superheated steam, dry fraction. The formula of dry fraction is X is equal to mf upon mg plus mw, where mg is defined as actual mass of dry stream. Next is sensible heat of water and latent heat of evaporation. Sensible heat, it is defined as amount of heat absorbed by 1 kilogram of water when heated at constant pressure. Next is latent heat, it is defined as amount of heat required to evaporate 1 kilogram. It is represented by HFG. Formula, it is HFG is equal to Hg minus Hf. Next is enthalpy. Enthalpy is the product of, it is defined as amount of heat absorbed by water, and enthalpy is equal to sensible heat plus latent heat. Next is definitions are wet steam, dry steam, superheated steam. Wet steam, enthalpy of wet steam is given by formula of H is equal to Hf plus Fg. There are some definitions. Next is specific volume. Wet steam. Specific volume, it is the volume covered by steam per unit mass at given temperature and pressure. It is represented by B. Wet steam, considering 1 kilogram wet steam of dryness fraction. So there are formula of wet steam, dry steam. There are the definitions. Next is internal energy. Internal energy of steam is defined as energy stored in steam above 0 degree Celsius of water. It may be obtained by subtracting the work done during evaporation to the enthalpy of steam. It is represented by U mathematically. Enthalpy of steam minus work done is equal to internal energy of steam. And there are some expressions: dry steam, wet steam, superheated steam. Next is steam table and its use. So next is Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle is a thermodynamic cycle associated with the Carnot cycle to eliminate its limitations. So here the diagram we shows that. Thank you for watching.